Factoring with GCF. In this example, we're asked to solve the equation by factoring with the GCF. So let's look at the two terms, 15x squared and 10x squared, and find its GCF. If we break it down, we can look at the 15x squared and the 10x squared and only look at the coefficient. So the coefficient is 15 and 10. The GCF of 15 and 10 is 5. Now let's look at the variables. The GCF of the two variables is the lower power, so we get 5x. Once we have the GCF, we need to find the remainder. In order to get 15x squared, we're going to need a 3x on the inside, and then in order to get a 10x, we need a 2. Since 5x and 3x multiplied together makes 15x squared, and 5x and 2 makes 10x, we know that we've factored correctly. Now our very last step is to look at these two factors and use our zero product property to figure out what x can be. Our first equation is 5x equals 0, because we know that this is our first value in our product. If we divide both sides by 5, we'll get x equals 0. And on the other side, we know that 3x plus 2 has to equal 0 for that term to be 0. So now let's subtract 2 on both sides to get 3x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 3, and our results will be x equals negative 2/3. Now there we have it.